Okay, in this lecture, we are going to watch how to set Python environment on your system. Open any browser and search for Python. Open to the official web page. Go to the downloads tab. Okay, if you click 3.8.4, it will start download. It automatically detect your device. By clicking the Python and its version, it will start download. If you need older version, go to Windows or Mac OS. Okay, if you need old version, this is the current updated version. I'm already downloaded, and here this is the installation process. On the bottom you could see add Python 3.10 to path. Just enable that option and go to the custom installation. Check all the elements are enabled. Then next, here also install for all user. Then enable the debugging process. Changing my path. If it is on programming files, that's not a issue. I'm just changing path to the Python. If I click enter, it will start installing. Okay, it take few minutes. Okay, here my Python is installed. Then check whether correctly installed. For that, open your command prompt. Check for the Python version. Okay, Python version. We are downloaded 3.10.4. Yeah. Okay, to enable the Python environment, just click Python. Here, if I write print coder033, okay, if I click enter, coder033. So this is what officially a Python environment, but we are going to use Visual Studio code editor. Okay, by that environment only we are going to do rest of the course. Okay, for that you need Visual Studio code. Go to the downloads option, and here on the bottom here you could see it's a free download software. If you are willing to pay a Python environment, you could use PyCharm. Okay, PyCharm is one of the best paid version for the code editor. Okay, if you click this, it will start download. I am already downloaded. Okay, I accept. Then here, yeah, check register code option and add to path option. Add to path, you don't need that. Then if you click install, it will start install. Okay, I'm already installed my Visual Studio code. So here open your code. Once you are installed, open your Visual Studio code. Then on your selected place, click a new folder, name as Python. Okay, then you could use open folder. We are going to work all the program files inside the Python. Okay, this particular folder only. Simply drag your folder, or you could use open folder option. Okay, if you are new to the Visual Studio code, some of the packages you need to install. The first package is Python. Okay, Python package. Check it is official from Microsoft. Then click install, it will start install. Then if you are running on Visual Studio Code itself, you need a code runner. Okay, code runner. Check how much persons are downloaded. Click install for this code runner. You could officially run your file on the Visual Studio Code itself. Okay, now creating a new file, naming as app is a file name, then extension should be .py. Okay, extension is important, .py. Here I'm just printing my name, Naren. Okay, if I try to run this button, you need to save the file and run the file. Here you could see Naren is been printed because that is on the printing statement. Here my file is run. Or you could use terminal option. You could directly go to the terminal. If you need a new terminal, just click this. Okay, I'm going to use command prompt terminal, deleting rest of them. Okay, here how to run the Python file means simply type Python then file name app.py, Python app.py. It was already on your file destination. Just enter Python app.py. Okay, here Naren is printed. So this is how you run a file. Means for the rest of the course I will gonna to run my Python file on the terminal. Okay.